Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. ScooterATVSales.com at Scooter City ATV Wholesale Outlet. Today we're going to showcase a new arrival. It's the Apollo X16 mid-range kids, youth, or smaller adult beginner's dirt bike. It's 4-stroke, 125cc, single speed. It does have a neutral position on the shifter, but it is a single speed. This is the shifter on it right here. So it does have a neutral position on it. And then you click it into gear and just add gas and go. So it's for those that do not want to shift at all. Great, it's comfortable, super easy to ride. The seat height is approximately 32 inches from the ground on up to the mid of the seat. Has disc brakes in the back, caliper disc brakes, and it also has disc brakes in the front. Super quality bike for the price. We have this right now on sale for $925. Again, 4-stroke, great graphics on it. 4-stroke kickstart. The kickstart is in the rear area, as you can see, positioned properly, right near the foot peg. So again, come down and check us out. We're at 920 Matley Lane, number 6 in Reno. Tuesday through Friday, it's 10 to 5. Saturday, 11 to 3. The X16 Apollo beginner mid-range kids 4-stroke 125cc dirt bike on sale right now, $925, fully PDI'd, assembled with a free extended warranty. Come down and check us out. Check out the X16. We do have other vehicles in stock as well on sale. So come down and check us out. 920 Matley Lane, number 6 in Reno. Number here is 775-856-3398. We'll see you soon.